Hello viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have something really interesting to share with you. We're going to dive deep into a Python script that calculates the difference between two dates. It might sound simple, but trust me, it's a handy tool to have in your coding toolkit. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just getting started, understanding how this works can be incredibly useful. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Here's the Python code we'll be discussing today. It's a script that calculates the difference between two dates. First, let's talk about the calculate_date_difference function. This function takes two date inputs in the format YYYIMMDD. It then uses Python's datetime module to convert these strings into date objects. After that, it calculates the absolute difference between these two dates and days. Finally, it returns a message that tells us the number of days between the two dates. Now, let's look at how users interact with this script. As you can see, users are prompted to enter two dates in the specified format. It's important to handle errors gracefully. This script does that too. If the user enters a date in an incorrect format, the script catches that error and displays a message asking the user to use the correct format. So, let's put all these pieces together. When a user enters two dates, the script calls the calculate_date_difference function, calculates the difference, and then prints it out. Let's see this in action with an example. I'm going to enter two dates, and we'll see how many days are between them. Look at that. It's telling us there are 9,664 days between these two dates. Oh, which means I am 9,664 days older. So, there you have it. A Python script that calculates the difference between two dates. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can be really handy in various applications. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more coding tips and tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.